Welcome to part one of my Nissan 350Z build. This episode, we're hopefully going to get the old Z and trailer sprayed off from our 700-mile trip back from Boston and get it all cleaned up so we can put it in my parents' new barn. So stay tuned. Alright, I hope you still will see most of that, but got her all cleaned up. Ready to head on back home now. Alright, so if you're wondering, the main plan for this car is to be A, my second car, and B, be a car I'm working autocross and take to a track day and all kinds of stuff like that. Because with my older brother having a WRX and my younger brother just buying a Chevrolet Camaro, I wanted to get something so we can all go to autocross or track day events together and have fun and bomb around all together and have a good time. So that's the plan is for this car. Hopefully it comes together and it is not too expensive to get back on the road. Doesn't seem like it is, even though the initial damage looks worse than it really is. It shouldn't be too bad as long as stuff isn't bent